Assalamualaikum, dear Bingley.
Waalaikumsalam.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Bingley, do you know how many seasons are there in Bangladesh?
6 season.
6 seasons, right?
Hmm.
Which season is going now?
This is winter season.
Winter season.
Winter.
Do you like winter season?
Yes, but I like summer
Why do you like summer season?
because I like mango.
Oh, you are a good boy. I know you love eating fruits, right?
Yes. Watermelon. Jackfruit.
Wow. How?
Berry.
Which one is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Mango.
Watermelon.
Ripe mango.
Jackfruit.
Okay. Jackfruit is our
National fruit.
very good. Don't you like winter season?
I like
Okay. But why don't you wear any sweater or jacket?
because in Dhaka there is no cold.
There is no cold.
No. But outside Dhaka, so many cold.
I always see children wearing sweater or jacket. Otherwise, they will feel cold.
Yes, when I go outside, I wear sweater,
Really?
jacket, and mask.
Mashallah, you know everything.
Yeah.
Do you have a monkey cap?
Yes, I have.
Wonderful. Do you like to eat pita?
Yes.
Do you know that in winter season we make different types of pita?
I know. I like Papa Pita and Tin Pita.
You also know the name of bhapa pita.
Yes.
Where did you see bhapa pita?
In the roadside.
Oh, roadside.
In Dhaka only.
Didn't you go to visit your village?
Yes. Sometimes.
In December you could go.
Yes, I could go, but my parents didn't take me there.
Oh, you should tell them that you would like to visit your village.
They told me that Corona বেড়ে গেছে.
Oh, that's true. It's not their fault, Bingley.
Yes, I know. That's why I'm sad.
Don't be sad. Are you going to school?
No.
Oh, you cannot go to school. Then what do you do?
I do nothing.
You do
I
nothing?
just watch TV.
Watching TV is not good, Bingley.
I know, but what can I do?
What things do you like to do?
I like to play cricket, football with my friends.
Do you have any cricket bat?
Yes, I have. And I have a football also.
Do you have any friend?
Yes, I have lots of friends.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Salman.
Why don't you call him?
I called him, but he can't come
Why?
because of his parents don't allow.
Actually, Bingley, when the pandemic will be over, inshallah, you will be able to play with your friends.
Inshallah.
That's why don't be upset.
Yes, we have to pray.
You have to pray and you must utilize your time by doing art, by learning something. You are also learning English, right?
Yes, I'm learning English by watching your videos.
Do you really watch my videos?
Yeah.
No?
Yes. I also subscribed.
You have subscribed my channel?
Yes.
Honestly?
Yeah.
Wow, very good. Bingley, may I go now?
Okay.
Actually, I have been working for 8 hours.
That's good.
That's why I'm little bit tired now.
Okay.
So, another thing, it's already 10 p.m. You should go to bed.
Yes.
Okay, so bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.